we're tracking, and it's because of this powerful system that's making its way over Northern California, this atmospheric river slamming into the Pacific Northwest, and right where I'm standing, areas of Northern California where they are going to see a lot of rain out of the system. Here at home, there is the chance for a few sprinkles out there, but for the most part, what we're looking at is a deeper marine layer, some drizzle, and also much cooler temperatures going into the next several days, at least going into tomorrow. So let me walk you through what this looks like. Widespread morning clouds, drizzle is possible for Wednesday morning, much cooler, and then warming starts Thursday, going into Friday, taking us into the weekend. The focus, though, tomorrow, Riverside today, we were in the lower 80s. By tomorrow, lower 70s, almost 10 degrees cooler out there. Here's a look at our morning temperatures. We'll see 50s to start the day. Clouds extending into the valleys, the Inland Empire. Look at downtown Los Angeles. Pretty cloudy even into the early afternoon, but then we're going to start to see bright sunshine once we get to the second half of the day. We'll see temperatures feeling much cooler. Remember Inland Empire last week? You were in the 90s. Now we're looking at 70s going into tomorrow. 69 in downtown Los Angeles, 70 in Santa Clarita, 60s for our beaches. And I also want to mention a big west to northwest swell building because of that system to the north of us, and because of that, we're looking at two big things: big surf and high tides. You probably hear it known as king tides. That's going to be the case for Thursday and Friday, and that's why we could be looking at some coastal flooding for some of our beaches in LA and Ventura counties. We'll watch that. LA and Orange County, we'll see 60s Wednesday, 70s for our Thursday, and then upper 70s, lower 80s going into the weekend. A warm up, highs now above average. Taking a look at the valleys, low 70s Wednesday, and then 80s are back Thursday, mid to upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, starting to cool next Monday and Tuesday. All models are pointing towards a major weather shift by the time we get to next week. Inland Empire, 70s with us for Wednesday, Thursday, and boom, we get to Friday, the 80s are making a comeback. That's the case for this upcoming weekend, mid to upper 80s, high desert 70s, mountain 60s, our beaches one day in the upper 60s, and then we're warming into the mid 70s by the time we get to the weekend.